Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.